This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Terry Osborne. Location: no flood INS required. No CDD fees. No HOA. This 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 2-car oversized garage pool home is a must-see. Home features: eat-in kitchen area, lots of cabinets, inside laundry room with utility tub and cabinets, fully enclosed lanai, gorgeous in-ground pool with screen enclosure, beautiful front yard, oak trees, large driveway, split bedroom plan with guest bathroom, and so much more. Close to shops, restaurants, easy commute to and from Sun Coast/Veterans Highway, close to world-famous beaches, golf courses, Busch Gardens, culture and sport events in the Tampa and St. Petersburg area, Tampa Airport and Tarpon Springs.